So with the CreaClip, you can do a U layered shape or a V layer shaped in the back. Let me show you how you can do both. First, I'm going to be doing the V layer shape with the CreaClip. You're just going to flip your head over, comb out any knots and tangles. Okay, using the large curve CreaClip, you're going to clip the hair like this and then close the CreaClip, lock it into place, and you're going to slide it down, making sure the level's in the middle. Yeah, and then just slide it down. And I'm going to trim the ends. And this is going to create a V layered shape. And I'm going to cut in a 45-degree angle to create that textured look. This will get rid of split ends. Okay, that's all you need to do. And that's going to fall really nice face framing the layers. See that? Creates long layers. Now, if you want to cut off more, you can always go back and cut about, an inch each time. I recommend not to cut too much each time. That way you don't cut too much off. Just trim, go back and check and see if you like it, and then you can always go back and trim. So let me show you what it looks like in the back. So this is what it looks like in the front, just a little bit long layers. And let me show you what it looks like in the back. It's a V layered shape. Now, if you want less of a V, then you would cut the tips off, okay? To do that, you're going to section your hair in the middle, parted like this, okay? Using the large curved CreaClip, I'm gonna gather both sides. Clip it in like this, comb it out. Okay, and then you're just going to slide it down, and I'm going to cut off a little bit of that V. If you don't want too much of a point, you're going to do this technique here. You're going to slide it down, make sure the bubble's in the middle. You're going to hold it tight, and we're just going to cut that little tip off like this. Okay, and again, you want to do a little point cutting because that's going to make it soft and textured. Okay. That's just gonna make it less of a point, still V layer shape, but less. It creates a little bit more of a one length in the front. See that? It's gonna make it look fuller. Especially if you have fine hair, I recommend to do this last step because it just makes it look fuller. Okay, and then show you what it looks like in the back. See, it's like a little bit less of a point. There you go. So now you can see the difference when I trim the tips off. Next, I'm going to show you how you can texturize your hair. If your hair is super thick, you can use the thinning shears to thin out the ends. And you're just going to do the same technique like as if you're going to cut layers. Clip the CreaClip in. Slide it down until you have about 4 inches, okay? And you're going to use the thinning, just going to texturize the ends, just like that. And it's just going to soften the ends a little bit. Okay? That's all you have to do. And so if your hair is very thick, then I would do that a few times. My hair is quite fine, so I just wanted a little bit of softness so that it just blends in a little bit more. And if your hair is really fine, then I would not thin out the ends. Yeah. Okay, and this is also really good for, like, say your long side bangs. You can also do that. Just gather your bangs using the small CreaClip. You're just gonna clip it, and so there's about 4 inches on the ends. Okay, and then you're just going to thin from the mid shaft to the ends, just like that. And then just pull it to the ends again and do that. Okay, that's how you do your bangs. And it goes from short to long. And also, everybody asks me, how far do I pull the CreaClip down so that the bangs fall nicely from your cheek down? So actually, you can measure by clipping it on. And normally I clip it on and touching my lips here. See that? My lips. That's where I hold the CreaClip, right at my lips, and then trim. And that's gonna make the bangs fall more from my cheeks down. Okay, that's the length that I like for long side bangs. Now, if you want, it also looks really nice too if you pull to your chin down for a longer side bang. Now, if you want that beautiful curtain bang, then I would do to the nose. Check out some of my videos that I did for curtain bangs. So yeah, so to the nose if you want more of a curtain bang look. To your mouth if you want like from your cheek down, and if you want long bangs from your chin, and then it'll go from short to long. And if you twist it, it makes it from short to long on the sides. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. That's CreaProducts.com. That's, you get the CreaClip. Make sure you buy the original. It has to say the CreaClip on there, because when you purchase the CreaClip, you will get free access to my VIP Facebook group where I do live demos. And make sure you purchase from CreaProducts.com. Aloha, thanks for watching. And curl it. There you go. So I just lightly curled it so you can see how the layers just brings out a little bit more body in my hair. And I just flip the ends a little bit like that. There you go. The curly look. That's the CreaClip. Make sure you order from CreaProducts.com for the original.